Say goodbye to your material cause. I will fucking take it from you. Yup. Nice. Not a matter, but probably some formal cause. The material cause just sipping out of this person. Where is the matter? What the fuck? Was he a fucking spirit? Hey guys, my name is Danila. I research ancient and medieval philosophy, and today we'll be talking about 4 causes of Aristotle, one of the most important philosophical theories. So Aristotle starts with the question, what makes science a science? What should scientists research? And the answer for Aristotle is the causes. Not only objects, like for example theory of evolution, it doesn't study just animals or just plants, it also studies how they are connected, the phylogenetic trees, the genes, and so on and so forth, how the objects are connected, how the living creatures are interconnected, intertwined. And for Aristotle, these connections and the main object of a scientific study are causes. And he finds different types of causes. So for Aristotle there are 4 causes, and we'll talk about them in examples. So for example, let's take this torch up. Can I please? Thank you. Let's take this torch. It also has 4 causes. Any objects that you might see, it has 4 causes. That's why this idea of Aristotle, it's so essential, because you can apply it to everything. You don't, no matter if you what you believe, what you like, what you don't like, you can use it in your own system of beliefs. So let's take this torch for example, and the monkey also enjoys this torch. What are the 4 causes of this torch? So the first one would be material cause, the matter from which it is made, and for this torch it's the wood. But already here we have this insane idea that material cause, they also include immaterial things. So for example, there are also material causes of the words, and these are letters. And in the same way, for example, a conclusion, logical conclusion, its material causes are premises. So you can apply it for immaterial things as well. And that's why this idea is so beautiful, and it incorporates all of the world in it. So the second cause of a torch would be a formal cause, and it's the form of a torch, this simple rectangular. It's actually quite a complicated idea, because it includes also non-geometrical forms, but this is a topic for a different video. So let's move to the next cause. The next cause would be an efficient cause. It sounds a bit weird, like what the fuck is efficient? But it actually pretty simple if you consider the other name for it. And the other name is the cause of movement. What caused the matter, what caused this matter to turn into this torch? And this would be a human who made this torch. Or the art of making torches. And finally, the final cause is why it exists. For what reason, for what purpose does it exist? And it exists in order to make light, to be a simple, bearable, carryable light object that emits light. Okay, now let's hunt some zombies. We'll find them and we'll dissect them to find out what causes they include. Come on, bitches. Yup, here you are. Come here. I will eat your material cause, bro. Come here. Oh yeah. Say goodbye to your material cause. I will fucking take it from you. You fucking bitch. Yup, monster. And here is the material cause of this zombie. Let's take it and let's enjoy it. And now let's kill the other one. Ha, you scared, you fucking bitch? No. Where you going? Yup. Nice. Not a matter, but probably some formal cause. Let's kill the other one. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Whoa. Again, some material cause. I didn't even hit him. That looked nice. So let's enjoy this fight. Skeleton versus gorilla. Nice. Whoa, nice. He literally killing it. And here is actually the perfect example of material cause. Because Aristotle usually uses this example like flesh and bones, he says. Here is the bone, and here is another bone. Just perfect. Oh, it's arrow. I mean, not exactly what we needed, but still fine. Dude, you're great. Thanks. Thank you for your service. And now let's find out 4 causes of this beautiful house. So we'll start with the material cause. You can try to pause the video and guess the material cause of this house. And if you guessed wood or stone or both, then you are perfectly accurate. So one would be the woods. Here is our woods, just pure matter. Again, the thing that changes among all the 4 reasons. The wood and some stone. And here is our stone. But there is, however, a slight difference between this and this. So what makes this pile of wood and stone different from this house? You can also try and guess, and I'll give you a hint. This is the second cause. This will be another cause, and if you guessed formal cause, then you again are perfectly right. So the formal cause is what makes this house have this form. It what makes this matter, this wood and stone, have the form of a house. In Greek, this is eidos, the same word as Plato uses for his forms. But what caused this pile of matter to turn into this beautiful house? And here comes our third cause, which is the efficient cause, the cause of a movement. But it's the external cause, so we'll have to find it. Just bear with me for a second. Our efficient cause, I've trapped it, guys. I trapped it, but for the purpose of the video, and it lives right here now. It can't go away. It just lives here to serve as an example of efficient cause. So he moved that matter in order to turn it into a house. He is the source of a movement. He is the reason why it all started. Okay, because the form of the house in his head now turns into a real house. So this is our third cause, which is the efficient cause, a human. Sometimes Aristotle might also say that it's not actually a human, but the art of building houses. And the art of building houses in the form of humans can build houses, can move matter from one state to completely different state. The state of houseness. And its final cause is to be a place to live in, to be a place of delight, to bring joy and happiness, to bring comfort to this village's life, and guys, to our own life too. So its final cause is to be a house, to be a cozy, beautiful place to live in. But what are the 4 causes for living creatures? And here it's different. We'll start with the material cause as usual. So what about this baby horse? What's its material cause? And here it would be flesh and bones. Aristotle often used these two things, and they include all the matter that compounds the body. So with matter, okay, it's kind of similar to material objects, but what about the other 3 causes? So and here the very interesting thing happens, because the formal cause and the final cause coincide for the living creatures. And they both would be the fully developed creature of this kind. So this is the formal/final cause. Here it is. Or here. The mother and the father of this baby horse. And one of the most interesting cause for the living creatures is the efficient cause. Because you'll never guess what it is. This is the father horse. The father horse and the mother horse. So they are the efficient causes of creatures. And Aristotle uses this bit weird today idea that father provides a form and mother provides the matter for the animals, and the same is for humans. Father provides form and mother provides the matter. So now let's reap some causes out of this poor guy. Well, let's rip this door. Fuck, that takes some time. I mean, how long will it be? Jesus, I could do this with my bare hands. Okay, fuck this. Yup, with an apple. So hello, I will take your... No, where are you going? I will take your material cause now. Here you can see the flesh and bone coming out of him. The material cause just sipping out of this person. And I will attack them to death. So I will have their material cause. Wait. Where is the matter? What the fuck? Was he a fucking spirit? Okay,